absolutely shocked by these conditions. It was relatively sunny. I chose to take the Corolla hatchback manual with new Michelin Pilot Sport all seasons, and I suddenly ran into this. And it is accumulating, and I'm a little hesitant to keep going up the road because if I get stuck, it wouldn't take much, and then I am pinched. So I'm turning around, and it's heavily accumulating. But the car is running fantastic in heavy snow conditions. With about a half-inch accumulated, the temperature dropping, the ice forming on the road, and it's running well. Let's go for a brake lock and see what happens. Okay, absolutely no brakes. Fantastic. Slow it down a little bit. This is like light, fluffy, champagne type powder falling. Didn't expect this at all here in Montana. Even being Montana, I didn't expect this. Now I know I got no brakes. This ought to be fun as it's accumulating. Nobody else will be driving a little hatchback manual up here. When I came up here, there was no snow in the trees. Well, if anybody's interested, a Corolla hatchback manual is pretty darn good in the snow. I'm in icy snow conditions here. That's even worse. I'd rather have several inches and plow through it than this. Signing off.